What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm taking a look at my new webcam that I picked up. So this is the OBSBOT Meet AI powered 4K webcam. Now I picked this up on Amazon.com. You can get this in two variants. You can also get it in 1080p. I picked up the 4K. Right now they have it for $143. I actually paid about $129. I caught it on sale, and you can also get the 1080p for $109. I just stepped up and got the 4K. I actually bought this way back on September 8th and just now getting around to taking a look at it. So a few of the features and details. This has a 4K 2.8 Sony CMOS sensor. And for what I understand, that's a pretty good size sensor that for a webcam. So we're going to check that out. This features AI auto framing, which means that it will follow you as you're moving around. We'll get into that later on in the video as well. This has auto focusing, HDR, and right light. You get your privacy cover right there as well. And those are just a few of the features and details about this. Like I said, I'll drop the link down in the description. And as you guys see, you can save an extra $15 with the coupon as well. Maybe that's what I did. I can't remember. But I didn't pay ended up paying like $129 or something like that. So a few other features and details. This has 86-degree field of view. This has 2 omnidirectional microphones. You can also use the virtual background replacement to use with green screen or blur the background or change your background image. This weighs 2.54 ounces. This has an aluminum body. So here's the packaging that it comes in. OBSBOT 4K. And then on the back, it's going to tell you everything that it comes with in the packaging. So you're going to get your USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C female to USB-A male adapter. You're going to get your magnetic bracket. This will connect to the bracket through magnets. You also have your 1/4 inch screw as well, though. Privacy cover, storage bag, user's manual, and warranty card. So let's go ahead and crack the box open and get into it. So I picked up another webcam. Right now I'm using the Logitech C920 I'm in a couple clubs, and we video chat. Just wanted to step the game up. Also, I use it, well, I'm going to tear up the box here. Let's see. All right, well, you want to do that on camera, we're going to get you open. There it is. For FaceTime with family members, also I use the webcam. And I also want to start live streaming or joining other folks' live streams as well. So I want a good webcam. I do have my Canon M50, and I have the dummy battery and everything needed to do live streaming and things like that. But I don't want to have to set that up because I use it a lot for recording my videos for my channel, and I don't want to have to keep moving it around. So I did see someone using this camera live on a live stream, and it looked good, so I decided to pick it up. So here's the red packaging that it comes in. Let's see what's all in here. We already know what's in it from what I read off. Now I'm recording this video with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This says meet your meat, and we'll see what's in here. Meet your meat, that's what it says. I got my glasses on, but wow, that thing is tiny, man. So you're gonna get your paperwork here. Put that over to the side. Get a big user's manual here, which I may have to refer to. But man, this thing is so tiny. Wasn't expecting that. Now it has an aluminum body. Let's go ahead, see what's else in here. Trying to get this out when you got big fingers. Okay, so we're gonna put that over to the side. There is another box in here. All right, so that is it. get this, put that over to the side, guys. All right, so let's see what's in this box here. Having a lot of problems with these boxes today. I can't even figure out how to open this one up. All right, here we are. All right, so this is going to be your Type-C to Type-C cable that you're going to plug in to run it to your laptop or whatever you're going to be using. Type-C to Type-C. It's a long cable as well. And this is going to be your mount and your cover, privacy cover. So you get your privacy cover there, and you get, oh, there's something else here. So you're going to get a adapter here from Type-C to USB-A, which is cool. That is a good look right there. And also you're going to get your mount. And this is going to be a magnetic mount. And just drop this on top of your laptop, your computer screen or whatever. There it is. So the camera is going to go on top just like that. Then you can reposition this, whatever. So let's take a look at the camera. So you can use this with a tripod, as you guys see. You got your 1/4 there. Here is the camera. You guys see it's got OBSBOT there. You got your sensor there. Here's the back of it. That's where you're going to go in with your power right there. And this button, that's your power button. You can cycle through different modes. If you want to put it in the AI framing, different things like that. I'll get into it a little bit more later on in the video, but this is just the unboxing part of it. This is everything you get into it. You get in the box. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up and check it out. So let's go ahead and put the privacy camera on here. So privacy cover, I should say. And that just snaps in place just like that. And you open it up, close it just like that. So here's the look that you're going to get again. Right here. So that's going to snap in place like that. Probably more so like this, I guess. Like that. And you can also set it, you can use this portrait just like this as well. So put that over here just like that. So here it is next to the Logitech C920. So it is much thicker. Well, it's about the same thickness, but you see this is much wider. This has your two microphones on the outside of it there, so that makes it a little bit wider there, but tiny little camera nevertheless. And I guess that doesn't really matter too much. We want to see the footage that's coming out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, so we're back in. I want to first take a look at the software that you have with the OBSBOT Meet 4K. You can download this application, and this is where you can kind of control different things with the camera. So you can put it to sleep. You got your field of view here. You got 65, which is going to be there. You got 78, and then 86, which is pretty wide. You can also zoom in manually, digital zoom there. You can reset everything. You can also use this little toggle here to move around. You got auto framing. So in single mode, this camera should try and follow you here. As you guys see, it is trying to follow me. You can put it in group mode when you got a bunch of people there. You got close up as well, and then upper body, which it'll try and concentrate just on your upper body. You got virtual background, which is in beta, so it's not too great. So it'll blur the background, as you guys see right there. It's not too good. You can go to green screen or blue screen. That's blue screen. You got green screen, and then you got screen replacement, where you can put in your own picture or a couple of them that they have. There it is. That's not too good. None of that is too good. So I'm going to turn that back off. It takes a few seconds before it actually pops back in. And then you got other settings over here. You can see your firmware that you own, your software that you own, your firmware as well, right here. You can set when the device goes to sleep, how long you want to take before it actually goes to sleep. You got your camera settings. So in the camera settings, you can turn on your autofocus. You can turn it on and off. You can have it focus on your face or global. You got your exposure. You got auto exposure here, or you can set it manually, your shutter speed, wherever you want it. You want to set it, your ISO. I'm going to leave it in auto right there. You got anti-flicker, 50 and 60. So you can put that on as well. I haven't fooled with too much of this at all. White balance is on auto, or you can set it yourself. You can turn this off, turn it on. As you guys see, I moved that. It's changing it. I'm going to leave it on auto. It's been looking pretty good. Then you can adjust your contrast, your saturation. You got full control over this stuff to set it where you want it. And so that is it, guys. As far as the software here, you got HDR too. I forgot this up here at the top. And I haven't really had a chance to play around with this too much, but the settings are there. And so now what I'm going to do is just switch over to the camera, and we're going to look at the onboard microphones first, and then I'm going to hook up an external microphone, let you guys see how it sounds. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so this is the OBSBOT Meet 4K. Now, this is the onboard microphone. I don't think the onboard microphone is that great. I'm going to hook up an external microphone and let you guys see how that looks, how that sounds. But this is the quality. Now, I could probably adjust my lighting a little bit better to get a better lighting, get a better look picture here. I'm going to lower this one down a little bit and see how that does with the picture quality. But as far as using this in comparison to my Logitech C920, I can definitely see quite a bit of difference in the quality right away. So I'm going to hook up an external microphone, and we'll see just how much that improves the sound quality. All right, guys, so I have the OBSBOT Meet 4K hooked up to an external microphone, and I do like the way it sounds with the external mic. So this is going to be the way to go right here. Pretty satisfied with the video quality, the image quality coming out of it. Can adjust the lighting a little bit more, do some things to improve that. But if I want to go ahead and start live streaming, I'm going to join in other people's live streams. I think this is going to be the easiest way for me to get in instead of trying to set up my Canon M50. I do have the battery that you need for that camera. I do have the cam link and stuff like that, but I use it a lot to shoot my videos, so I don't want to have to go through and take it down or anything like that. So nice webcam would be the ideal thing, and so far I like this one. So I would definitely leave the link in the description. Someone else may want to pick it up, but I'm Will H. This is Will H Gadgets and More. I'm out.